kan Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex ka badai ka wei na ki building ki bala pelong kum ka yo ya dia thiet ka bala ailat kham tam ya ki tra jela bakin sengkam sengjam lingba ka ni ka complex kala kham itnat bat Pynkhuid hadian bagi Nongshong Dukan ha ka ni ka complex hapo ka wei ka kanhun ka bala tip kum ka Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex Shop Owners Association menta ka sngi ki layami ban Pynkhuid hi ya ka ni ka building kabla long hak jingerap jong Nongpoh Fire and Emergency Services ban kan syait da ko hak jaka kabla palat ka Pynjaboh lala ban saki ya ka jinge sementa jong Nongshong Dukan ban Pynkhuid ya ka ni building da ka jing angnut ban yo ya ka khuid ka suba ban nangla ban kring ya ki pai ba ban wan thiet jing thiet na ka ni ka jaka la ban kedo ba ka ni kompleks ka dei ka Pynjaboh bha da ka jing don ki ba le klamakor dak ba bret pathar ya ki jabo jaban ka jing bia klumar ki nongrung nongmi ka jing bom dan ka jing sumar bat ki wei hanrei ling ba ka ni ka jing mi jong ki Nongshong Dukan ban Pynkhuid ha ka ni ka sngi dak ba pelong dak ka cleaning drive le si kan long ka Khubor ba dei Shuh ban Pynjaboh ban bret pathar ya ki jabo jaban ban let bar klumar bat ki wei ki kam ki ba Pynjaboh ya ka ni ka kompleks la pelong ru ya ka jingelang ka blingkon ha ka ni ka jaka ha ka bala wan ya shimentalang dau deputy commissioner ka district Usri Abilaj Barnwal u engineer ka urban affairs uba SS Langsti uba pensyai karkongor uba dari district VBD consultant uba Sylvester Mensong uba dari urang ba shnong ka Nongpoh kinong elam jong ka kenhun ki Nongshong Dukan bat kiwei habakren hakate ka jingelang ka belingkon nakaliang deputy commissioner ulak kitbok ya ka ni ka kenhun bakan dangla banle shibun ki kam ki bapen baha ya ka ni ka shopping complex kham tam ha ka bai dei bat ka khui ka suba ka badai ka bynta ka bah khmat udisi hakate ka jingelang ulak pen pawru ba nakaliang ka office kan sanang shim khia Shuh ban pentikna bakani complex kan internet da ka jingpli renti jong ki Dukan ha ka ba ulak pen pawru bakin sabu da ka kuna ya kinu ki try Dukan ki bakhang ya ki Dukan jongki ulap tharu ya ki try Dukan bakin pli tikna man la kasmi ya ki Dukan jongki bat penukam hok ya ka ni ka complex balap tharu ya kinu ki Nongshong Dukan hapo kate ka complex ki basyamwai pateng na ki weipan bakin sobha ban kendu ya ki bor badai pe ya kate ka complex khnang bakin yo ban penrung ya ka kerteng jongki bakin yo longkum ki try ki bapura jong ka Dukan ka bakshong
clean their shutters as well, because shutters is something that is immediately visible. So that is my kind request. I have already requested your Shop Owners Association secretary. You are secretary, right, Bapunda? Advisor. So that it is something that the Shop Owners Association should ensure that it happens. After that, I have also, I mean, basically my office is always open. Now that you have an association, whatever you need, if it is if it is within our capacity, we'll make sure that it happens in the Muda complex. I completely agree with the lady, the Singh Longmi Nongpoh proper, when she said that the aspirations and the hopes which this Muda complex would have raised, they have not realized. जो aspirations ये सब था वो सब पूरा नहीं हुआ है, because it does not look like a proper well lit market. We are doing whatever we can. We are trying to prevent leakage. We have provided you power backup, at least in the lighting and etc. with backup in the corridors and all. But लेकिन अभी बहुत लंबा सफर जाना है, so we'll ensure that whatever is needed will provide that. But simultaneously, we are also going to take some strong steps. For example, those who are not opening shops, this is something that I'll discuss with the Shop Owners Association also, that for every day, if anyone is not opening shop, we should impose some fine. Okay, that has to happen, even if it's a modest fine, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, but that has to happen. Ab shop open nahi kar raha hai, it does not look nice, there has to be a fine. Secondly, for all those people who are as of now subletting, my clear message to you, till 10th May, please listen to me, I'll speak in Hindi as well. Till 10th May, till 10th of June, you have the opportunity. After 10th June, we are going to check if the person in whose name the allotment is, if the concerned person is not there, we are going to cancel the allotment. As simple as that. No subletting is going to be allowed. Whatever the rent charges the government has fixed, pay that, operate the shop. If you cannot operate the shop, move away, give opportunity to the other entrepreneurs. Secondly, this is also a message to all those tenants who are currently leasing it out from those allottees. Let's say person A is the allotment owner, but person B is operating the shop by taking it on rent from person A. This is a message to all those tenants कि आप लोग अभी, as of now, you are paying higher charges to the actual allotment owner. You come to my office, or you come to Ba Sanjay, you come to Bala. This is your opportunity till 10th of June. You give your name that I am the actual person who is operating the shop. Will transfer the allotment in your name. As of now, what are the rent charges? 1100. 1100, right?
Yes, it range from 1100.
1100, right? So let's say it starts from 1100, but you may be paying 2000 or 2500 to the actual owner. आप मेरे ऑफिस आओ, बाला के पास जाओ, बा संजय के पास जाओ. You go to them, you tell that this is a shop that I am operating. We are not going to take any action against the allotment owner, but will transfer the allotment to you. So that from your shop does not have to close. You only have to pay rupees 1100 or whatever are the actual government charges, and your shop will not close down. Because trust me on this, whether it is 10th June or maybe 15th June, something like that, but we are going to cancel all these subleasing, whatever is taking place. Because unless that is checked, the Muda complex aspirations will not realize.
Lada ka shopping complex, Phynkuid, kalong kaba yaki beri bikin one room. Kata kawai, kintak syuan, kadang kejing sma, kadang kejing icaklia, ban kejing tiet room ikwa room. Di kadai sisa kadai kaba nga kerpat ipi bakam nung day tang hagani ka sngi pade, bat nri nangi syakmat pade, man kapor pihak ya tray lang. Kalaban long sisin si benai. Ne sisian arbanai kata kan yahat syakmat ka kam dai ba Shillong petang ka haka sisian ka sisnem kata kan Nongpoh si hendrei ka badukam kalong bangin train na kapor sa kapor bay in ai ka tigajing ko jing subahot office jong ka district administration ka dekat lik bati tambang ngirung idor lagi jong kikang oh kam dai tang ya kani na mga lakwa hita ka yo ikani ka jingseng jong kani ka Nongpoh tong shopping complex owner or shop owners association la slemha ila awan cak khmat mo ban kepat iki Nongshong Dukan angiru bakin seng no la jong kenang ba kin yo benta hapor bagi don ki meeting ru mission don ki meeting de hantu ki meeting jongi umdan ba represent lagi shop owners dikai ka bangi rai ngi kala bomnum ya hap bat kai ka bapia mat hapo ka kompleks de hendrai mentang ngi scam ba ngi syakmat mo kin don ki representative na po association ki bandan rekat bagi ha kapor bangi rai hindu nang ba ka kamru kanong kabayad ben o ini dokumen na ni kaporo pangidon EDC jongi ibalong active sisya EDC iba shim yang kata ka leadership quality ke jongi iba ya check mat na kapor siya kapor nila i sisya yang kita kijing jongi Nongshong Dukan ni ndrei kakamya check mat katam ndrei na do piwan EDC sa abangi UE daladi ya keren ya kijing jongi Nongshong Dukan ni ba ilashim kita kesenjam ban ia trailang ban i kalong kajing kemen ya ka department rumo kumju i manager ru ibadan ni kata kawai dukong kadai kajing ut jong ki Nongshong Dukan kalong be i manager mo wan be i papli i ru idon kajing la jong i hap ya ko i bakam haloru den ringi nganget scam ba lembar kajing tristom jong i pade nomor itu yosno i kini kajing mentang kala long ke urlong mentang UI ba ketika transparent sheet ada replace ngiyo ya ke drilling joko umru ngilayo biang patient ngin sayo so ban pendukam ya gini ki toilet hakar kom ke biang kata kilong ki badukam di ketika backup power supply rumo hakini ki passage apa lip light di kalong sisa kejing kalong dum baru ngimla aban bu inverter ring la subuh ke inverter hakini ki common passage kini public places kenang ba dan kejing singai ru tingin scam ba nangi syakmat ru kanika shopping complex kanak kiu ngide men sim sia kanika lat ka government kalawan bu kanika shopping complex angi ngala ban ong yepi dei dadai bakadan hapo Shillong kani ka shopping complex layak kini tahu ki kalong ka kortor hadu kata de ndrei ngasmu ngaladon lagi lah kam tu ganis dem ringa UI ba kata kejing kam da syai ki briu kim da UI jengai ya kata ndrei kanti ke shopping complex hadin habot kanlong ke koridor ba kanlong ke koridor na menta ka employment ru lada kim yo kam at least idon ka dukan hangila ka dor ka dor ka Biang ba ba ka sorka bu nang ta pade idon kajing shensengan ru hangi kadon ru kata ka balaj na uslap na kajing na kajing ka kamariang kumju pil long ban long trai ru hangi kata ka we sisin pa pilayo hangi tapi bud be ki kendon yung ka pisiu ya ka bai ka badai ka ban siu kasyai be kasyulok pateng la pateng hi ka jong pi ni
jingwan sakmat le se na kaliang ki Nongshong Dukan badia kani ka kompleks di Pynkhuid na safety no naga sarkar kata kamot apo ke jing pe jikmi jong DC dekat ka urban dan nomor kata kani Khubor karno ka jong ka jing dokumen ka bakrawe ka ba lese na kaliang kato kani mut ki baya don apo kani ka Dukan kilaya pe jikmi ba bat kilaya i ya ke jing don kam ban don no kum ko we ka association ka ban pe ban mi kham tam me ha ka be de ba ka jing khoi ka jing suba hang ne po complex de nomor kata po ka jing yi jenga jong kong use piersim rengkat bati kong al marngar di balaya sim khia ya ka ne ka kam bat long ya ka ne ka program bat ha ka ju ko poro kum ka jing hikai dan ne ka jing ya sim bata na kabanta lam penek sa ka jing khoi jing suba ka balong ha ka ne ka juk ka pamenta ni don kam adu kata-kata de na kalian ka dorbar sinong ru hadin bagi sim ni ka NOC ka wele berkane nilai yo ban ya discuss batki bat nilai men sim ki ban sim bat bande la ya kan de na mar kata kan ni kalong ka wei ka session ka bayaran ban pe ban khni ya ki jing don kam la ne ki kham tam e ha ka wele bagi khoi ka jing suba namar kumbang ini ngitip la dang ilej ki wei ki jaka bidang ki kompleks ki shopping kompleks ki bahe ki longkan no kanong jing itanat mo ka jing itanat ban ladang irung sepo nang rami nak tu jakaru kalong jing itanat Te nomor kata ngi hang ni Nongpoh kham tam na kaliang adorbar ngi ai kali ke message kham tam ya kali ke session bet penjuru ya pi tiba dar dukan hang ni atau yu ban le khoi lane ban penitenat lane ban phun pin ban ya trailer kham tam ya ke khoi ke suba ka ba de hapo kali ka muda kompleks. Te nomor kata na kaliang ka adorbar Shillong ka Khubor hi kalong ba ngi ai ka jingi trilang batpi laga gidon kam kano kopor bat hakaju kopor na kaliang jong ka urban department rengkat ke jingdon jong DC bolong chairman bape bekni ya kami ka kompleks te lada gidon gijing gino gijing lada gino bagi sembro ni dan i
kini kor komputer kiba internet badar ni di hajan jongpi hangne hadukan jongi han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex Harishan Enterprise haka kamera kaba shispa iway refurbished laptop but desktop phun hau number pra iway layar not sau pra sansau lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar riunyo. Admission open Kapatar Kema Model Degree College, Bhoi District, ka court admission na kabenta ka BA first semester, ka lat bahajan na kabenta ki samla pule, na kabenta ki jingtip ki babanya, phun hau number, pra iwe, lai iwe, pra not, san ar khandai not, lani pra lai nyo not, pra san riu khandai san. Pidon kam projector ban pani film, ne pidon kam projector na kabenta ki awareness program jongpi, phun singi, ni ai wai shapi. Pran nyo lai iwe, kandai hendru iwe, ar nyo lai.